Everyone, it's Danielle for Rosetta Vera. Today I'm opening Stickii Club's July Pop Pack. I just realized I've been doing videos all afternoon and my hands are really dry, so ignore them. I was digging in a crate looking for construction paper, not construction paper, cardstock. So I got a little dusty, so just ignore that. So let's get into this Stickii Club. I know you're like, why is she talking about her dry hands? But you know, I don't want anybody to clown me. Just wanted them to know it's because I was busy before I started this. So this month's theme is Forces of Nature. And again, we're opening Pop Pack for July. Let me not go out of order. So you have a Post-it pad, and that is from Hourly Jewels. So I'm trying to figure out, is that a bird or a person? A person bird? Can't tell. Maybe you guys can. So that's the first item. Then we have an acrylic stamp from Stickii Club, which is a heart on fire. And we said Forces of Nature. So the first thing here is, are some stickers from Stickii Club. These are different astrological signs on stones. So now I'm gonna be nosy and look for my own sun sign. Is that aquamarine? I don't know. I don't know. Aquamarine is usually lighter, but okay, that's an interesting take. I don't know if I like those. Let's do Hourly Jewels. So here's some stickers from Hourly Jewels, and actually, I was right. Well, it was a bird lady. There's also some moth ladies here. So these are interesting. So there's some moth people, I should say, and bird people. So that's Hourly Jewels. Next, we have some stickers from Mikochi, Jenny Mikochi. Those are pretty. I like her. All right. We have some, let me see, some stickers from Water Moon. We have some stickers here from Saving Art. These are a little glossy. A little bit of gold foil in there also. There's some journal stickers from Saving Art also. And then we have two sheets of stickers from Parakeet. So it's like different vegetation with people buried in them. Very muted, but very pretty. So that's everything for July's Pop Pack for Stickii Club. I mean, the theme was Forces of Nature. I feel like I'm getting it and I'm not getting it at the same time. Like I'm seeing fire, I'm seeing water, I'm seeing wind. I don't know if I'm getting it super strong. I don't know where these astrological ones fit in, really. And like this last one, these last two by Parakeet feel more floral than Forces of Nature. I mean, I guess you could say nature if you're talking about the seasons. But if you're talking about the season, that doesn't really go with this. But yeah, I'm not sure if the theme was executed really well. I'm trying to, like I said, I don't get that it was seasonal. But all in all, I mean, the stickers are nice. I just don't know if this theme was executed really well here. But that is everything for July's pop pack for Stickii Club. As always, thanks for spending time with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.